Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you where you can find your archive folder in your projects and workspaces in the Plane project management application. So let us dive into this. So guys, navigate to workspace and also your project here in Plane. So let me go with that project here. And first and foremost, guys, you can only archive tasks that have been moved to the done status or that have been completed, or alternately to the cancelled status. For example, if I head over to the list overview and move that task here to done, I will be able to archive it by clicking into these three dots here and select archive. And that is going to move the task to the archive folder. And the archive folder can be found next to your project name here to the left. Click into these three dots, select archives. And there you go. Here you will find all archived work items. So if you'd like to remove them out of the archive folder, click into these three dots here to the right and select restore. Let me do that also with that one here. And now no archived work items are left in the archive folder. So they have been moved back to the done section or status here in your to-do list. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.